Why does your scanner show the P1618 engine code? What does it mean? P1618 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine control module internal fault. This engine code indicates that this means there might be an issue with the voltage supply to various sensors in the engine, potentially causing erratic sensor readings and affecting engine performance. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: ECM issues, sensor problems, wiring harness issues, other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volvo S60, S70, and Dodge Ram 1500 and other models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.